What if I told you that in 2026 there are cars in India capable of delivering more than 34 kilometers on just 1 kilo of CNG? Imagine driving hundreds of kilometers every week while spending far less on fuel than other average car owners. With fuel prices continuing to fluctuate, mileage has become one of the biggest deciding factors for Indian buyers. But here is the interesting part. Not every car that claims high mileage performs equally well in real conditions. Some offer incredible efficiency but compromise on space, while others strike on perfect balance between comfort, practicality and running costs. So today we are counting down top 5 highest mileage cars in 2026 based on official ARAI certified mileage figures. We'll discuss their engines, performance, features, real world efficiency, pros and cons, and who should actually buy them. Let's begin. Number 5. Maruti Suzuki Swift CNG. Starting our list with ever popular Maruti Suzuki Swift CNG. The latest generation Swift comes with a 1.2 liter 3-cylinder Z series petrol engine paired with a factory fitted CNG system. It produces around 69 PS of power and 102 Nm of torque in CNG mode, making ideal for city driving while remaining comfortable on highways. Its biggest highlight is its official ARAI certified mileage of approximately 32.85 km per kg, making it one of the most fuel efficient hatchbacks available. In real world conditions, owners generally report 26 to 30 km per kg depending on traffic, driving style and road conditions. The Swift is also one of the best looking hatchbacks in its segment. It offers modern styling, 6 airbags, a touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, automatic climate control, rear AC vents, cruise control and refined driving experience. Its pros are sporty design, excellent handling, reliable Maruti service network, very low maintenance costs, great resale value. Its cons are reduced boot space due to CNG cylinder and 3-cylinder engine feels slightly less refined than other older 4-cylinder units. If you want stylish hatchback that is fun to drive while being extremely fuel efficient, the Swift CNG is excellent choice. Number 4. Maruti Suzuki Dzire CNG. At number 4 we have Maruti Suzuki Dzire CNG. The Dzire is also India's favorite compact sedan and the latest generations continue the legacy with impressive efficiency. It uses same 1.2 liter Z series engine but delivers impressive 33.73 km per kg according to ARAI mileage certification. Real world mileage generally falls between 27 to 31 km per kg, which is outstanding for a sedan. Unlike many hatchbacks, the Dzire offers a more premium cabin, larger boot space, despite the CNG tank, comfortable rear seating, excellent ride quality and smoother highway experience. The latest model also brings upgraded safety with 6 airbags, electronic stability control, ABS with EBD, hill hold assist, a modern touchscreen system, wireless smartphone connectivity, rear camera and automatic climate control. Its pros are extremely comfortable, premium cabin, huge service network, excellent reliability and outstanding resale value. And its cons are not designed for enthusiastic driving and the boot space is reduced compared to petrol version. For buyers who want family comfort along with exceptional fuel efficiency, the Dzire CNG is hard to beat. Number 3. Maruti Suzuki Alto K10 CNG. Taking third place is one of India's most affordable cars, the Alto K10 CNG. Powered by 1 liter K series engine, the Alto K10 focuses on simplicity, reliability and incredible low running costs. Its official ARAI certified mileage stands at 33.85 km per kg, making it one of the most economical cars on sale. In everyday driving, owners often achieve 28 to 31 km per kg, which translates into extremely low fuel expenses. Although compact, the Alto K10 induces features such as power steering, power windows, ABS with EBD, reverse parking sensors, a touchscreen infotainment system on higher variants, and decent cabin space for small family. Its pros are low running cost, easy to park, affordable maintenance, excellent reliability, and ideal for city driving. Its cons are limited highway performance, small boot, basic interior compared to larger cars. If your priority is spending least possible amount on fuel and maintenance, the Alto K10 CNG deserves a serious consideration. Number 2. Maruti Suzuki WagonR CNG. Runner up on today's list is Maruti Suzuki WagonR CNG. The WagonR has been one of India's highest selling cars for decades, thanks to its unmatched practicality. Powered by trusted 1 liter K series engine, it delivers an official mileage of 34.05 km per kg. In real life usage, drivers typically experience 28 to 32 kilometers per kg depending on traffic conditions. Its stalwart design creates a surprisingly spacious cabin with generous headroom, comfortable seating, and easy to get in and get out, especially for elderly passengers. The Wagoner also offers a touchscreen infotainment system, steering mounted controls, powered windows, electronic stability control program on selected variants, and Maruti's trusted after-sales support. Its pros are spacious cabin, excellent visibility, easy to drive, reliable engine, and very economical. And its cons are conservative styling, average highway stability compared to premium hatchbacks. For families looking for maximum practicality while minimizing fuel cost, the Wagoner CNG remains one of the smartest choices. Number 1. Maruti Suzuki Celerio CNG. And finally, India's highest mileage car in 2026 is Maruti Suzuki Celerio CNG. The Celerio is powered by reliable 1-liter K-series dual-jet petrol engine paired with factory-fitted CNG kit. Its biggest achievement is its incredible ARAI certified mileage of 34.43 kilometers per kg, making it one of the most fuel-efficient passenger car currently on sale in India. Even in real-life conditions, many owners report 29 to 33 kilometers per kg, which is genuinely impressive. Besides outstanding efficiency, the Celerio offers light steering, comfortable suspension, good visibility, compact dynamics for city driving, and Maruti's dependable service network. It comes equipped with touchscreen infotainment system, keyless entry, push start stop button, hill hold assist on automatic variants, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and surprisingly roomy cabin for its size. Its pros are best mileage in India, extremely low running costs, smooth driving in city, affordable maintenance, and strong reliability. And its cons are plain design, performance is adequate but not exciting. If your goal is to save as much money as possible on fuel, no other passenger car currently beats the Celerio CNG. Final thoughts before we wrap up. There is one important thing to clarify. This list focuses on affordable mass market fuel efficient cars, not premium hybrid vehicles. Yes, cars like Toyota Innova Hycross Hybrid, Toyota Urban Cruiser Hyrider Hybrid, Maruti Suzuki Grand Vitara Strong Hybrid, and Honda City eHEV can deliver better fuel efficiency. However, they cost significantly more than the cars featured in this list. While their mileage is impressive, their higher purchase price means that they aren't the most accessible options for buyers looking for minimizing both initial cost and day-to-day running expenses. If your priority is pure fuel saving at an affordable price, the Maruti Suzuki Celerio CNG remains the winner. If you need more cabin space, Wagoner CNG is fantastic choice. For buyers on tighter budget, the Auto Cadence CNG delivers incredible value. Families wanting a comfortable sedan should consider Dzire CNG, while those looking for stylish hatchback can confidently choose Swift CNG. Remember, official ARAI mileage figures are achieved under standardized testing conditions. Your real-life mileage will vary depending on traffic, driving style, vehicle maintenance, tire pressure, road conditions, and passenger load. So which of these fuel-saving champions would you choose? Let me know in comments below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on notifications for more automotive content. Thanks for watching.